morning! Do you often crave for some snacks, especially these days when we're sitting at home? Yes, thus I am gonna fry some chicken nuggets.
No Yomna, processed food like canned food, noodles, sausage, nuggets are not good for our health as it contain more than the recommended amount of salt, sugar and fat. Thus, we need to reduce the intake of processed food.
Huh? Really? Then what should we do? I'm not a good cook.
It's okay, Yomna. So today, we are going to show to the kids squad 3 simple recipes that can be done at home. So, let's get started.
What a wonderful.
Alright Kids Squad, for our first recipe we're gonna make some omelet with veggies. Who doesn't like eggs, right? For the ingredients we're gonna need 2 eggs, butter, pepper, salt, spinach or any other veggies you have, mushrooms, and some onions. Alright, so firstly, we are going to cut all the ingredients we have into small cubes. Make sure you do it with the help of your parents, okay? Don't do it alone. Always use with caution when using a sharp tool like a knife. Next, let's put our pan and light up the fire into medium heat. Then we are going to melt the butter in the pan. After the butter has melted properly, we are going to put the onions, the mushrooms and the spinach. After they have cooked properly, we are going to put the eggs and fry it for a couple of minutes and then flip it back over. Alright Kids Squad, our omelette is almost ready. Let's put it in a plate, shall we? Now we are going to put some salt and pepper on the omelette.
What a wonderful.
For the second recipe, we will need 3 eggs, butter, salt, pepper, toast, and some milk. So first of all, we are going to break the eggs in the bowl and put some milk. Then, we are going to whisk it thoroughly using a fork or a whisk. After that, we are going to heat the saucepan to medium heat and put some butter in. After our butter has melted, we are going to put the egg mixture in. Okay, for this step, we are going to stir the egg oftenly to breaking up the eggs as it's cooking to make sure that it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan and burn. After the egg liquid has dried up, it means that our scrambled egg is ready to serve on the toast. You can slide some butter on the top of your toast if you like, with some black pepper for some heat. Now we are going to put some salt and pepper. Variation, you can put tomato, cucumber or any other veggie toppings that you like. Smells so good and we're ready to eat. It tastes amazing. Don't forget to try it at home.
What a wonderful.
Do you like dessert? I am craving for something sweet and chocolatey right now. So since I am at home, let me show you how to make brownie in the mug. So these are the things that we need. We need 1/4 of self-raising flour, 1/4 of custard sugar, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons of water, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Okay, so firstly we put the self-raising flour into the mug. And then we put the custard sugar into the mug. 3 tablespoons of water, two tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. After putting all of the mixture into the mug, I am going to mix it by using a whisk. See, the consistency of our mixture is smooth. So, I am going to put it in the microwave afterwards. I'm going to put it at high and for 1 minute and 40 seconds. Let us wait. So this is the outcome of my brownies, and I'm going to put a scoop of ice cream so that I can enjoy it with my ice cream. So that's all for this episode, Kids Squad. I hope you enjoyed this episode and you try this at home with your family. See you in the next episode where we will learn new language. So stay safe and stay at home. Bye, Kids Squad!